Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make a drift car. So first you want to get the Alton Martin Vuelisir. It's going to look like this. So first you want to click Customize. And then add drift tires if you want. I don't want it on my car cause it can already drift well. If you want to upgrade the acceleration and speed, go to Performance. And if you want speed and acceleration, scroll to the bottom. And you will see gear ratios, make it go to 90. I will show you how well it can drift now. Hold down Shift for endless drifting. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for the next video. Bye guys.